In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a ride and book car hire in the Uber app on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to make confident choices whether you're going point to point or hiring a car by the hour. Start by opening the Uber app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your location. If you're indoors or in a busy area, the GPS might take a second to settle, and that's normal. On the home screen, tap the search bar that says Where to at the top. This is where every trip begins. Enter your pickup location. If you're standing where you want to be picked up, you can keep the current location, but it's worth double checking that the pin is placed exactly where a driver can reach you. If you're inside a large venue, setting the pin near a clear pickup point, like a main entrance, can save time. Next, enter your destination. As you type, Uber will suggest addresses and landmarks. Pick the correct one and make sure the destination line looks right. This helps you see accurate pricing and travel times. Now choose a ride. You'll see options arranged by price, ETA, and vehicle type. Take a moment to review each option's capacity and features so you can pick what fits your plans and budget. Once you understand your point-to-point choices, you can also explore a different option that's ideal for multiple stops or errands. Scroll down and tap Car Hire. This is Uber's hourly option, great when you need a car and driver for a set period rather than a single trip. Tap Choose Car Hire to continue. You'll be asked to enter your pickup location again for the hire. Precision matters here. Set a spot where the driver can safely wait if you need a minute. Select your rental start time and duration. You can begin right away or schedule for later, then choose how many hours you need. Think about your itinerary and add a little buffer so you're not rushed between stops. Tap Find Cars. Uber will show available vehicles for your selected window. Follow the prompts on screen to review the options, confirm your details, and finalize the booking. You'll see the estimated cost, the included time and distance, and what happens if you run over your reserved hours. That's it. With these steps, you can request a standard ride or book car hire with confidence. Keep an eye on pickup instructions in the app, communicate clearly with your driver when needed, and you'll have a smooth, stress-free experience.